Winter is almost over, and the big game is next weekend. You know what that means? Patio season is coming. Is your outdoor space ready for springtime vibes? Just think of it, lounging out on your patio cozied up in Adirondack chairs, having the first night outside dining al fresco with your new dining set, roasting the first marshmallows of the year around your new fire pit. Are you ready for all this and more? Meet POLYWOOD, the last patio furniture you'll ever need. Eco-friendly? Yep. Made from recycled materials and made in the USA. Zero maintenance? You got it, no fading, no cracking, no painting. Built to last? Through rain, snow, and sunshine, year after year. This spring, ditch the flimsy furniture and upgrade to POLYWOOD, where style meets durability. Spring is coming, get your patio ready with POLYWOOD today.